Good morning, ma. You all had breakfast? Okay. Last time what we learned? We learned ascending and descending order. How to write ascending and descending order following all the rules. For comparing numbers, you follow the rules, no? Same rules you must follow in ascending and descending order also, and write in ascending and descending order. That is, we will do the revision part of that. And today's class is already over for us, place value, and the new one is the face value. So place value and face value today I will tell you. Today's class is face value and the place value. Once we will do the revision part of the previous class. In the previous class what we learned? Ascending and the descending order having 6-digit number. Suppose if I gave you these numbers, 4,67,384 and another number is 9,72,846 and 9,35,643 and 4,67,845. If these numbers are there, how you will write in the ascending order? Ascending order means what? What is ascending order? Ascending order is nothing but you must write small to big. Ascending order is nothing but you must write smaller number to the bigger number. But here all are the 6-digit numbers only. All are 6-digit number. So how you will write which is the smallest one? How you can recognize? Means you must follow the rules. What is the rules? Means what are the rules? Means you must count the digits. First one is count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6. All are 6 digits number. Then all are same? No. All are 6 digits. That's all. Numbers are not same. So what you must do? What is the second rule? See the first place. Lakhs place you must see. You see that all the lakhs places are different or same. Here 4 is there. Here 9 is there. Again here 9 is there. Here 4 is there. All are different. Here 4, here 9, again 9, again 4. Different is there. Here 9 same. Here 4 same. But all are not same. So what you must do? Which number is smaller? Here 9. Here 4. 4 is smaller and 9 is smaller. 4. But here 2 4s are there. Both the lakhs place are same. Then which is smaller? So what you must do? If lakhs place are same, go to 10,000 place. 6 and 6. Both are same. Then what you must do? Go to the next place. That is thousands place. Both are same. 7, thousands. Then what you must do? Go to hundreds place. Here 3 is there in hundreds place. Here 8 is there in the hundreds place. Which is smaller? 3 is smaller. So what you must do? You must write 4,67,384. Then you cut this number. Now next smallest number you must write. Now here 9 is greater number only. Then go to 4. This only is the smallest one. So write 4,67,846. Cut it off. Over. Now next these two, which is smaller one? Counting the digits, same 6 digits you got. Now see the lakhs place. Both the lakhs place are same. Then go to 10,000 place. Both are same. Here 7 is there. Here 3 is there. Here 7 is there. Here 3 is there. Both are same? No. So which is smaller? In these two, which is smaller? 3 is smaller. So write this number 9,35,643. Then cut it off. Then whatever the number is left over, the last number, write here 9,72,846. Like this you must write ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but smallest number to the bigger number, greatest number. Now how you will write descending order? Same numbers only will take. In this, which is the bigger number? Already we cut it off. So which is the bigger number you must see. Rules, you all know the rules. Counting the digits, all I have 6 digits. Then see in the lakhs place. Here 4 is there, here 9 is there, here 9 is there, here 4 is there. Which is greater? 9. So but both 9s are there here. So if both the lakhs place are same, Then go to the 10,000s place. Here 7 is there and here 3 is there. 7 is greater or 3 is greater? 7 is greater. So this number you must write first. So 9,72,846. Same thing. The last number you got. Now next greatest number. In these three, next greatest number is this. 9,35,643. The same number we got. Now next, this also over. Next only two numbers are left over. Now both the numbers are 6-digit number. Now compare lakhs place, same 4. Then compare thousands, 10,000 place, same. Then thousands place, same. But in the hundreds place are different. Here 3 is there, here 8 is there. 3 is greater or 8 is greater? 8 is greater. So write this number here, 4,67,846. Tick it. Next, the last number, whatever the number is remaining, that you write here. 4,67,384. Then like this you will write ascending and descending order. And this is the revision part. Last time only we completed this part, ascending and the descending order. Now today we will learn place value and face value. Already over place value, face value I will tell you. Once again, learn place value because these two are connected. Place value and face value. Already in the previous class only you learned about the face value. Face value will not change. The same digit you will get. Suppose if you see your face to the mirror, same face only you will see. If you stand that side or this side in one corner also, if you see your face in the mirror, your face only you will see. Same like that. Let the number be in any places. The face value will be the same digit only. Same number only. Once we will do the place value. Suppose 4,672. What is the place value of 4 means what you will write? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. What is the place value of 4 is? You will write 4,000. 4,000 is the place value. Place value. 4 circled number is 4. 4 place value is 4,000. Suppose if the number is 7,69,400 is there. What is the place value of 7? Place value of 7. So what you must do? First write the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakhs. 7 is there in the lakhs place. So you write 7 lakhs. For lakhs, how many zeros will be there? Easily you can close this 7, count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So put 5 zeros. So 7 place value is 7 lakhs. Like that you will write the place value. Now face value, the same number I will take you. Take 4,672. What is the face value? Face value. What is the face value of 4? Face value of 4 is 4 only. No change. It is in thousands place. But face value will be 4. Same itself only. Suppose same number I take. 7,69,400 is there. What is the face value? Face value of 7 is face value. This also face value. Face value of 7 is same 7 number. If the face value of 6 is same 6. If the face value of 9 is same 9. Let it be in any places. Let it be in 10,000 place or thousands place or lakhs place or hundreds place or tens place. Any place, ones place, any place. The face value will be same itself. That digit only. This is the face value. Place value means in which place it is there, that value it will show. That is the place value. Place value and the face value will be different. Understood? You all understood the difference between place value and the face value. Place values will change. In whichever places it will be, the value will change. Face value, in whichever place it will be also, it will not change. It will be the same digit only. I think today you all understood face value and the place value. Now I will give you some numbers. You copy down and answer it. Then you understood or not, it will be easy for you to understand. You understood or not also you know. Write the place value. Write the place value of underlined digit. Underlined digit. The first one is 7,84,642. 7 is underlined. The second one, 8,43,256. 3 is underlined. 7,94,100. 9 is underlined. Whichever the digit is underlined, only that place you write here. That will be the place value. Now the second one is, write the face value. Face value of underlined digit. Underlined digit. Face value will not change. Remember it. Same digit only. The answer will be same digit. If it is in lakhs place or thousands place or hundreds place, the digit will be same. No changing in face value. Remember it. Seven lakh 92,362. If like this, here 4 is underlined, face value you must write. What is the face value of 4? Right, same only you will get. What is the face value 1? One face value is same you will get. The face value of 3. What is the face value of 3? The same you will get. Here the place value. Place value, whichever the digit is underlined, it will change. Okay. Today I think you all understood face value and the place value and the difference also. Okay, ma'am? Thank you.